nature of light. By the end of lesson, student would be able to indifferent 1. Define the wave nature of light. 2. Define the speed of light. 3. Describe light behavior in different media.
What are you watching now?
I'm watching the film of Casablanca.
I heard of it. Is it good?
Yes, it's a very good film. It's for Amir Karara and Amr Abdelgiri.
But sometimes I wonder, how can we see these photos of the film?
We see because of the light rays.
And what are the light rays, and does they have speed?
Our lesson today is the wave nature of light. I'll tell you all you want to know about the light. If we got a prism and passed the white light through it, we see 7 colors called the colors of spectrum. The German scientist Max Planck proved that the energy of light is composed of packets of energy called photons. The energy of photons is directly proportional to the frequency of light wave. The energy of photons equals Planck's constant times the frequency of the photons. Light can be used in home decoration, like the use of spotlight to illuminate artifacts, ornamented lamps that bring happiness and joy to the place, and also stand lamps that concentrate light for reading. That's enough for one day. We will continue in another day. Goodbye.